Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. We're right in the middle of an epic Bowie knife build. This is a ball bearing Sanmai style with 5200 on the edge steel. New way of doing that, so make sure you check out the full build video. But right now I've got it up to 220 grit and a nice edge on it, so this is the part where we test this out. It has to go through two 2x4s and still shave, but we're going to push the limits. We're going to try to go through 3 or 4 and see how long it shaves. Okay, that's twice through, so you can see where we've been doing all the work right there, trying to focus on the same spot. And you can see that on the blade there. Let's go ahead and check that. And it still shaves nicely. Oh yeah, let's keep going. Even had a couple of knots in there. Okay, had a nice knot in that one. So let's see if we can continue. We can still shave. Starting to feel a little bit duller. Not really when you do that. All right, fourth time through. Still takes hair off.